Hello everyone, this is Sambong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain how to add on GoodTask for iOS. Most obvious way is to tap this plus button on bottom right. It's shown on lists page and also inside a list. When you're inside a list, it'll be set to list settings if you have contextual list option turned on, which is on by default. Adding page is a modal view that's almost identical to task detail page. You can type in title right away and press done to finish adding. You can tap quick actions and input values through various buttons. You can add notes and subtasks right away. This order can be customized inside Settings, Appearance, Task Detail page. When you have title, you can tap Add More button to add more tasks with values except the title. This is useful when you want to add multiple tasks quickly on specific list with due date. Also, adding continuous tasks by adding relative dates would be a good use case too. While adding, typing on title will activate text snippets. You can change lists with /alphabet space. Exclamation mark at the beginning will change priorities. Date and time format can be used to set due dates. Details can be set inside Settings, New Task, Text Snippets. Long tapping plus button will show you options. You can add calendar events or add tasks directly from clipboard. Long tapping a calendar will bring up Add page with the date pre-selected. You can change Pull To option inside Settings, General, to Add if you want to add tasks by pulling down on Tasks page. Inside Settings, New Task, you can set options to fit your needs. Contextual options let values change according to the list, date, and time. You can optionally add contextual date quick action if you prefer adding contextual date manually when needed. Default list, start date and due date can be set. When you set a due date, you can choose to add alert automatically or not with this setting. Also, you can set alert time for no time tasks. If you choose no time for this option, alert will not be added for no timed tasks regardless of above setting. Due time when due date is set option is the pre-selected time when due date picker comes up as you set a due date. Okay, this is it for today. Thanks a lot and get it done with GoodTask.